Imagine creating YouTube scripts, Facebook ads, emails, images, videos, and marketing campaigns from a single platform. And what if it cost less than a dinner night out? Today I'm showing you a tool that's getting a lot of attention in the AI world right now. Stay until the end because I'll show you exactly who should use it and who should avoid it. Most creators and marketers have the same problem. One tool for writing, another for images, another for videos, another for research, another for marketing. Before you know it, you're paying hundreds of dollars every month. And even then, you're still wasting hours switching between platforms. That's where GrokMAX comes in. Instead of juggling multiple tools, it brings AI writing, marketing, image generation, video creation, research, and business planning into one dashboard. According to its creators, users get access to multiple Grok-powered AI capabilities in a single place. The goal is simple: create more, work faster, spend less time managing tools. Let's look at what you actually get. Feature number 1, AI content creation. Generate blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, ad copy, product descriptions, and more. Feature number 2, AI marketing. Create ad campaigns, social media content, sales copy, hooks, and promotional material. Feature number 3, AI images. Create thumbnails, social media graphics, ad creatives, and product visuals. Feature number 4, AI video generation. Generate video content from text prompts for marketing and content creation. Feature number 5, research and trend analysis. The platform promotes real-time intelligence and trend research capabilities for marketers and creators. This may be useful if you're a YouTuber, an affiliate marketer, a freelancer, a small business owner, a content creator, or someone who wants to automate repetitive marketing tasks. Now here's the honest part. No AI tool is magic. You still need good ideas. You still need to edit content. And you still need traffic if you're trying to make sales online. Some reviewers also recommend checking the exact access terms and usage policies before buying any third-party AI platform. Use AI as leverage, not as a replacement for strategy. If you'd like to check out GrokMAX for yourself, I've placed the link below this video. Take a look at the features. See if it fits your workflow. And if you're serious about creating content faster and scaling your online business, it might be worth exploring. Click the link below and see what it can do for you.